Hike Connect for Teams. Connected security, ready to go.